As the JCF intensifies its anti-gang and anti-crime initiatives, we commenced an operation about 2:30 on Sunday, that's yesterday, lasted until about after 8:30, and during that period we recovered 3 rifles along with an assorted amount of ammunitions and magazines. The ground was held by the JADF and members of the specialized operation as well as PSTEB, and this morning we recommenced our operation and we recovered 3 more firearms and a quantity of assorted ammunitions. The operation will continue until every single firearm that may have been buried on this compound is actually found. And as I said earlier on, this is just a foretaste of what some of our initiatives are going to be like. We are working together as a team to win back Jamaica from the hands of criminals. Well, yesterday we recovered an AK-47, a Uzi submachine gun, and a Remington shotgun, along with, as I said, an assorted amount of ammunition. This morning I think we recovered a .45 pistol, a semi-automatic pistol, and what appeared to be some sniper weapon. We are not certain the type yet, but that's what we have recovered so far.
Well, what it shows that the team, certainly under DCP Bailey and his team, is working according to the plan and has delivered today and yesterday in a very significant way. As you know, I was on the ground yesterday as well. Back on the ground today to see what is happening, and the recoveries are consistent with the intelligence that we had going into this particular operation.